guys, how are you? I'm doing absolutely fine. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So there's one question we're going to ask today is, what does food mean to you? For example, in 2000, before 2000, people used to have 4 meals, or let's say 5 meals a time, which is breakfast, brunch, lunch, snacks and the dinner. But after 2000, after the increase of stress, what we are seeing is most of the people are skipping breakfast. Well, even I used to do that. I used to wake up late and all this stuff. I'm sure most of you do. So it's really important to have breakfast. So this is something like I use as a breakfast. I eat it and it's really easy to make. So this is something I'm going to show you today. It's the burger. So as you can see, I have used the buns over here, the mozzarella cheese is over here. This is the pepperonis which I'm going to use, and of course the fried eggs. So the first thing which I did was I spread the mayonnaise on the buns first, then I put the mozzarella over there, and then slowly, well, you can not just necessarily have to do it slowly, put the pepperonis over here, and then you can put the fried egg over here. Just turn it. And then what I generally do is I do a pan fry because I like having pan fried stuffs, but you can generally grill it with butter or vegetable oil, and yeah, you can easily have it. This is how I'm going to eat after cooking it. Well, I've done a small plating which I'm going to show you. This is how I'm going to look, and now I'm going to